So let's go ahead and talk about kind of the hierarchy of this. So if I move, let's duplicate this. And so now we have 2 blocks, and WER on your keyboard will change between if you want to move, rotate, or scale. So let's go ahead and, so W is to move, so let's move this block over here. So this is block 2. So as you can see, they can move independently from one another. We can move the block, we can scale the block, whatever. But because they're both underneath the parent main, anything we do to main will happen to both of them. So that's just something to kind of note there. Another thing is in how the parent relationship is processed. So basically the parent is always processed before the block. And you can think of this kind of like if you're programming in Java or C++, the program runs line by line unless it's like called to a function, then obviously it'll jump to that function. But for the most part, it's processed in order line by line. So that's the same way here. First it's processed parent and then child. So this is important in 2D because if you have a 2D graphical parent like a sprite or background or image or something, it's going to be processed before the children. So that means that the children end up being on top of the parent when it's all rendered through. So that's kind of how you deal with layers with 2D environments in Godot. In 3D it's not as much because it's all in 3D space and you just set it where you want it. But for 2D, it is that's how you deal with the layer element of it.